I welcome you back once again. In this lesson, we shall be looking at the rules of Concord. All right, before we move on to the business properly, we need to understand one or two terminologies for us to get the message of the rules of Concord. The rules of Concord is an aspect of grammar that is very, very important for you in understanding written and spoken English. So this is why we need to talk about it. All right, the first terminologies you need to understand is the subject and the object. The first terminologies you need to understand is the subject and the object. Now, what do we mean by subject and object? Subject is the performer of an action in a sentence, while the object is the receiver of an action in a sentence. All right, what do we mean by performer of an action in a sentence? Like, we mean the person or the thing or the main point or the center, the character of a sentence is what we refer to as the subject. Let's say, for example, in a sentence like, the boy killed a goat. The boy killed a goat. All right, in that sentence, we have three classifications. We have the boy, we have killed, and we have goats. All right, in these three classification, each of these classification has its own function. All right, the first classification, which is the boy. The boy is the subject. The boy is the subject of that sentence, while killed is the verb and object of the sentence remains a goat. All right, why is it the subject? The boy killed the goat. The boy is the performer of that in that action, while the goat is the receiver or the sufferer of the action. All right, so we have the subject as the boy, we have the object as a goat. All right, another thing we need to understand when it comes to rules of Concord is number. What do we mean by number in English? In English, when we say number, we mean singular and plural. So the singular and the singular noun and the plural noun, the singular verb and the plural verb. Now we need to understand the differences. All right, for nouns, it takes s to make it a plural. It takes a noun should take an s to make it a plural. That is for regular nouns. All right, for example, when we say boy and we say boys. Now, in that sentence, boy is singular, boys is plural. Girl, girl is singular, girls is plural. Box, box is singular, boxes is plural. Baby, baby is singular, babies is plural. Now we understand this. These are regular nouns. All right, for verbs, verbs is in the reverse order. That is, verb singular form takes s. Verb singular form takes s, while verbs plural form take no s. That is, you don't add any s to it. Verb singular form takes an s, while verb plural form takes no s. That is, verb plural form takes no s. That is, you don't add an s to the plural form. All right, what do I mean? For example, go and goes. Goes is singular, while go is plural. Sleeps is singular, sleep is plural. Dances is singular, dance is plural. Fights is singular, fights is plural. All right, do we understand this? So if we understand this, then we can move on to the next segment of the rules of Concord. For you to get my notification, you need to like this page, you need to like the video, and also share them. Thank you very much. I'm H.O. Lawal. See you again.